Welcome to Learn SAP PM in 10 minutes. In this short session, we will give you a clear and practical introduction to SAP Plant Maintenance. Whether you are a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this video will help you understand the core concepts fast. SAP PM is one of the most important modules for managing equipment and plant assets efficiently. By the end of these 10 minutes, you will know the key processes, important terms, and how maintenance work actually flows in the system. Let's get started and build a strong foundation together. SAP Plant Maintenance, commonly known as SAP PM, is the module responsible for managing the maintenance of technical objects such as equipment, machines, and functional locations. It helps organizations plan, execute, and track all maintenance activities in a structured way. From recording a breakdown to completing a work order, everything is handled inside the system. SAP PM ensures that assets remain reliable, downtime is reduced, and maintenance costs stay under control. It is widely used in manufacturing, energy, oil and gas, and process industries. In simple words, learning SAP PM is valuable because it directly impacts business performance. Effective plant maintenance reduces unexpected breakdowns, improves equipment availability, and lowers overall maintenance costs. Companies that use SAP PM can plan preventive work in advance instead of always reacting to failures. This leads to better safety, higher productivity, and more accurate cost tracking. For professionals, knowledge of SAP PM opens doors in maintenance planning, reliability engineering, and plant operations roles. Whether you work on the shop floor or in the planning office, understanding this module helps you contribute more effectively. SAP PM is built around a few core building blocks. First come technical objects such as functional locations and equipment. Then we have notifications, which are used to report problems or requests. Work orders are the central documents that control the actual maintenance work. Preventive maintenance plans help schedule recurring tasks automatically. Finally, reporting and analysis tools give visibility into performance and costs. These 5 elements work together to create a complete maintenance cycle. Once you understand how they connect, the entire module becomes much easier. Technical objects form the foundation of SAP PM. Functional locations represent the physical places in a plant, such as a production line or a building section. Equipment represents the individual machines or assets that need maintenance. Work centers define the people, tools, or workshops that will perform the work. Getting this master data right is critical because every notification and work order is linked to these objects. Accurate technical objects improve reporting, cost tracking, and planning. Spend time learning how to create and structure functional locations and equipment properly. Notifications are the starting point of most maintenance processes. When something goes wrong or a request is raised, a notification is created in the system. It captures important details like the problem description, location, equipment, and priority. There are different types of notifications, such as breakdown, preventive, and general. A well-written notification helps planners understand the issue quickly and decide the next action. Notifications can later be converted into work orders. Learning how to create clear and complete notifications is one of the most practical skills you can develop in SAP PM. Work orders are the heart of SAP PM. Once a notification is reviewed, a work order is created to plan and execute the actual maintenance task. The work order contains operations, required materials, tools, and the people who will perform the job. It goes through stages such as creation, planning, release, execution, and completion. After the work is done, technicians confirm the time and materials used. Finally, the order is settled and closed. Understanding the full work order life cycle is essential because almost every maintenance activity in SAP revolves around this document. Preventive maintenance focuses on performing work before equipment fails. In SAP PM, you can create maintenance plans based on time, performance, or condition. These plans automatically generate work orders at the right intervals. This approach helps avoid sudden breakdowns, extends asset life, and improves safety. Many companies achieve significant cost savings by shifting from reactive to preventive strategies. Learning how to set up maintenance plans and task lists will make you more valuable in any maintenance planning role. Preventive maintenance is one of the most powerful features of the SAP PM module. Breakdown or corrective maintenance deals with unexpected failures. When a machine stops, a notification is created immediately, followed by an urgent work order. The goal is to restore the equipment as quickly and safely as possible. After the repair is completed, technicians confirm the work and the order is closed. Analyzing breakdown data over time helps identify weak points and improve reliability. While preventive maintenance is preferred, every plant still needs a strong process for handling emergency repairs efficiently through SAP PM. Let's look at the typical end-to-end process in SAP PM. It usually starts with a notification. The notification is reviewed and converted into a work order. Planners then add operations, materials, and resources. Once released, the work is executed on the shop floor. Technicians confirm the time and materials used. Finally, the work order is technically completed and settled. This cycle, notification, work order, execution, confirmation, and settlement is the backbone of daily maintenance operations. Here are some of the most useful transaction codes in SAP PM. IW21 is used to create a notification. IW31 creates a work order. IW38 displays a list of work orders. IP10 is used for scheduling maintenance plans. IL01 and IE01 help create functional locations and equipment. IW41 is for confirming work. These T-codes will cover a large part of your daily activities. Practice them regularly in a sandbox system so they become second nature. Knowing the right transaction saves time and makes you more efficient. SAP PM does not work in isolation. It is tightly integrated with other SAP modules. Materials management supplies spare parts. Production planning considers equipment availability. Finance and controlling track maintenance costs. Quality management can be linked for inspections. Human resources provides capacity data for work centers. This integration ensures that maintenance activities are aligned with production, inventory, and financial goals. Understanding these connections helps you see the bigger picture and work more effectively across departments. Using SAP PM properly delivers clear business benefits. Equipment availability increases because maintenance is planned better. Maintenance costs become more transparent and controllable. Safety and compliance improve through structured processes. Decision-making becomes data-driven thanks to detailed reports and history. Companies also gain better visibility of asset performance over time. For individuals, mastering SAP PM enhances career opportunities in maintenance, reliability, and asset management roles. The return on investment in learning this module is high for both the organization and the professional. Here are 5 practical tips to help you start strong. First, focus on mastering technical objects before anything else. Second, practice creating clear and complete notifications. Third, learn the full work order cycle thoroughly. Fourth, spend time on the most common T-codes every day. Fifth, understand how preventive maintenance plans work. Consistency matters more than speed. Use a practice system regularly and try to connect each concept to real plant scenarios. These small habits will accelerate your learning significantly. Let's quickly recap what we covered. SAP PM manages maintenance of technical objects through notifications and work orders. Technical objects form the foundation. Preventive maintenance helps avoid failures, while breakdown processes handle emergencies. The standard process flows from notification to settlement. Key T-codes make daily work faster. The module integrates with PP, FE, and other areas. Benefits include higher availability, lower costs, and better decisions. With these fundamentals, You now have a solid overview of SAP Plant Maintenance in just 10 minutes. Thank you for watching Learn SAP PM in 10 minutes. You now have a clear understanding of the core concepts and processes. The next step is practice. Open a system, create notifications, build work orders, and explore maintenance plans. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more practical SAP content. Drop your questions in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. Keep learning, stay consistent, and you will become confident in SAP PM very soon. See you in the next video.